Well, this afternoon I'm talking to you from Gorleston, just down the road from my office, as you can see, with Gorleston Pier and the Pier Hotel just behind me. It's been a busy week with conference this week and a chance to catch up with quite a lot of people, not least of all Greater Anglia, to talk about their plans for our railway line, the links up to not just Norwich but right the way through to London, and indeed continuing the improvements at our train station. It's great to hear we're getting more and more refurbishment of our train stock, and we're also going to start seeing bike hire available at Great Yarmouth train station soon. We've been pushing this for some time. Greater Anglia are delivering. That's good news. But also here in Great Yarmouth, we're also continually hearing about all the good news from our energy industry. And here along the inner harbour, we can see some of the companies' warehouses who service all of our energy industry, as well as some of the more traditional history we do have. It's a vibrant industry that's doing superbly well, and not least of all with being put on the map a bit more by the outer harbour. We now need to push to see if we can get that assisted area status that we all want. But very parochially today, I've been meeting locally with people like Siobhan Mead, who's a great campaigner for the visually impaired here in Great Yarmouth, who's been pushing for a long time about better bus services. We've now got the new X1, a great new fleet of buses coming through to service Great Yarmouth that also have vocal announcements of where they're stopping and when they're stopping for that help the visually impaired. And first, the bus company, to be fair, have been very, very good at listening to the needs of the visually impaired and improving their service all the time. I'm delighted that having campaigned with Siobhan for some time, we're now seeing the products of that work. It's great for Siobhan, great for all of those in the constituency who sometimes need that extra bit of help when they're on the buses about where to get off, when the bus is stopping, and we're now seeing that. Plus, better buses for us all to enjoy. And that's good news. There's still more to come, there's still more to do. I'll be putting more details in my weekly e-newsletter that will be coming through your email box. If you're not signed up to it, brandonlewis.co is the website. You can sign up to it there, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.